In many enterprises, delivery speed is limited by packaging complexity, missing installers, and inconsistent handoff between teams. Foundry by CloudHouse addresses that gap with a repeatable self-service packaging and conversion approach. This is a quick, real-world example of how Foundry helps organizations modernize delivery of existing applications by turning what's already running in a virtual machine into a clean, portable deployment artifact. We start with what teams typically have available, a virtual machine disk image. Foundry scans it safely and quickly to understand what's inside without needing original installers or lengthy manual discovery. Foundry automatically identifies applications and their key components, giving teams a consistent view of what will be packaged. This standardization is important because it turns packaging from a specialist craft into an industrial repeatable process. With the scan complete, we select SQL Server 2019 and trigger packaging. Automating this in Foundry helps enterprises reduce variation, improve governance, and accelerate delivery across applications and environments. Once the packaging is complete, a standard container image is created that can be promoted through environments like any other release artifact, supporting infrastructure independence and reducing the cost and risk of repeating this work at scale. We then run the packaging workload to validate that it behaves as expected. This prove it early step is key. It builds confidence, shortens feedback cycles, and reduces migration risk before you commit to larger rollouts. With the container running, we can connect with standard SQL tools to validate access and functionality. For operations teams, this means a more predictable handover, a consistent runtime that's easier to deploy, scale, and manage than bespoke VMs. Foundry then publishes the image to your preferred container registry, so it can be managed with existing release controls, promoted through environments, and audited like any other software artifact. Finally, we deploy onto AWS using a managed container service. While this example uses AWS, the broader point is portability. Once packaged, the same application can be deployed consistently across environments, supporting cloud moves, platform changes, and faster standardization across the estate. Foundry is a self-service packaging and conversion engine. It can discover applications from images when installers aren't available, produce clean, deployable outputs, and integrate into existing delivery and control processes. The benefit is faster modernization with less friction, turning packaging into a repeatable capability rather than a specialist dependency.